Okay, I'm taking out these brackets here. These are like little locks right here. Because in here, the rear end, there's pieces in here, and they're adjustable. I'll show you in just a second. They're for adjust. Pardon me?
Okay.
What do you got? Oh yeah. So that's what it looks like here. I'm gonna have one in a minute because I'm taking this whole rear end out. That's what we made special nuts for. The special tool for it.
You want me to get a rag or something?
Well, I have it right here. Oof, that stinks.
What, you're on?
Yeah, when I open it up, there's more. Can you take it apart?
Oh, yeah. There it does.
See here, if you look, there's threads right here, and that's where the bearing sits, and it can move in and out on that.
Clean spot here now.
Oops. So this is just falling out right now. We don't want to damage any of this because we're using this stuff over again.
Oh, that's fine.
Look how painful that magnet is, Bill. You see it?
No.
Oh, look.
Didn't even...
What? It didn't even stay alive. Isn't that the most painful magnet you ever saw?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I put my neodymium magnets in there. Now we're going to take the thing and put a differential pin gear out of this thing. Gotta like hammers, real stuff. Now we're going to air chisel this out. There's a little, in the center of the pinion gear, there's a little round of the jack shaft. There's a little round hole here, so I just use a round, a pointy chisel. I'll show it to you when I pop it out. What happens?
For the washer.
The washer came off. And the odd thing is, this thing always comes off first here. Whoop. See? The part that holds onto the universal joint. Now the rest should just pop out through. Make a contrarian out of me.
That spring isn't all the way on. I don't know if that's why.
Oh, that doesn't matter. Oh, I may not be hitting her very hard because I got
Oh, it's all loose.
my impact kind of get broken. There we go. This might help. There we go. See how I just pulled it out and see on the end of it, right there. I find the tapered works the best. Just sits in there. And you can just tap away. Then it all comes out. And this just looks like the other one we had out earlier. Now we don't want to mix these up.
Yeah.
Well,
the other one's gone.
Okay. I got a little piece here. I'm going to use this to knock the race out. I'm going to put my little tip there. Right in this little thing here. There's little spots that you can use there. They're the best spots I found. we're knocking these races out.
It was moving.
Yeah, I'm just going from top to bottom. We're gonna try to. Can you hold that?
What, the rod?
That might be okay. Yeah, try to take it a little bit here, a little bit there. Of course, it's easier just on the bottom, but.
Here.
You come out?
Nope. I got it.
Because we're using it again, I want to not warp it or anything. I'm trying to take it from a different spot. There was one race. I'm going to go through and pop it up to the other side. Okay, now the bottom.
Okay, it's almost out. That's not it. There you go, that's it.
Got it? There you go. So now we've de-bearinged it. Now it's just an empty husk. You find it though?
I got it, yeah.
Okay, so now we've just stripped this rear end. Okay, now we're at the part, we gotta change the crown gear because we're actually changing the gear ratio. Because the gear ratio we got from the wreckers was a different gear ratio than what's on Dylan's truck. Dylan's crown gear and pinion gear were damaged. So, and we just make sure you know that these are reverse threads, so you put them as you're screwing in. Yeah, we had some of these already loosened before we forgot we'd share this with the video, with the viewers, if I have any viewers. I'm curious now. Curious how many people are interested in what a blind person can do with it. They put their mind to it. We can't be competitive in the working world because of speed, and also you got to think about like danger. Because working on a job site for different things is kind of dangerous. I'm going to need a hammer to do. If I didn't have the stomach problems I've got and a few other problems, it'd be better. But most blind people I don't think have the issues that I have. Because I had a humongous accident, that's why I'm blind. I'm blind at 25. I would like to train or teach other blind people how to do stuff I do. Because I think that it's good for people to learn things. Doesn't matter if they're blind or not. I would like to teach people how to do this stuff, and I've got a unique way to teach them because of being visually impaired. I've learned how to lose my tools pretty easily.
Especially when someone moves them on you.
Oh, you moved it. Okay.
Not very hard when someone takes it out of your...
No.
Where you put it.
Someone takes it. No.
Give me that. I'll take it over there.
I want to show them what it looks like.
Oh, I wanted that part.
Oh, this here?
Yeah.
I'm going to put the new one. Okay, this is the crown. This is the gear. It's like a crown. I can see why they call it crown gear. Ta-da! Hey, look, my crown.
You said you're gonna put the new one on? Yeah, leave it there then.
Okay. See? That's the crown gear. Pretty. Pretty amazing. That small little thing can drive that truck down the road. I think it's interesting anyway.
I think it is too. I've never seen one that was apart, actually.
See how small that is? Pretty freaking amazing. And like I seen the one that's in my truck, mine's only F-150, but geesh. And towing the trailers and different things. All that. Just right there. Wow. Okay.